How to fix WhatsApp update errors by clear cache, free storage, and reinstall on the Samsung Galaxy S22, S23, or S24. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, the first thing that you need to check is to make sure that you have an active, good internet connection. So ensure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak or intermittent connection may cause the update to fail. So try to restart your router or toggle the airplane mode on and off if necessary. So tap on the airplane mode to turn it on and switch it off, and make sure you have a good connection to your Wi-Fi router. So here I will turn off airplane mode again, and that will reestablish the connection with Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now sometimes the Google Play Store can have an issue, so what you can do is you can try to clear the cache of the Google Play Store. To do that, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, we want to find Google Play Store, so we can use the search function here and tap on Play Store. So here, tap on Google Play Store, and then we scroll down and tap on storage. In here, tap on clear cache. Now make sure you only tap on clear cache and not clear data. If you tap on clear data, it may lock you out of the app and you may need to sign back in. So just tap on clear cache and then see how you go. To see now check to see if you can update WhatsApp. Next, if it still doesn't work, you want to check to make sure you have enough storage space available on your device. Now, with WhatsApp, you need to have at least 1 GB of free space for a smooth update on your device. So you can check to see how much storage space you have left by going into settings, and then we scroll down and tap on device care. So tap on device care and then tap on storage. In here, check to make sure you have some storage left. If you are running out of storage, you need to delete some files to make space for WhatsApp update. So give that a try and see how you go. Another thing that you can do is you can try to force stop and restart the Play Store on your device. So to do that, go into settings, then go down and tap on apps, and then scroll down and tap on Google Play Store. So here, tap on Google Play Store and then tap on force stop, tap on OK, and then simply open your app again. So here, open up Play Store. That will allow you to restart Play Store. So give that a try. Another thing is you may want to check for the latest system update. You can go into settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on software update, and then tap on download and install, and make sure your software are up to date and you have the latest version of your software. So give that a try. Another thing that you can do is try to uninstall WhatsApp. So you can uninstall it and then reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store. So before you uninstall WhatsApp, make sure you back up all your chat conversation so you can open up WhatsApp and go into settings. In settings, you want to go down to chats and then perform backup. So tap on chat backup so you can back up your chat to the cloud. And after that, you can uninstall WhatsApp from the device, then download and reinstall the latest version from Play Store. After it has installed, then you can restore your chat history during the setup. So give that a try and see how you go. Now, if Google Play Services has an issue, it can also give you trouble give you problem of updating WhatsApp. So what you can do is go into settings and then go into apps, and here we'll find Google Play services. So if I can go down and find Google Play services, and then simply tap on force stop, and then just simply reopen it again. So here it says if you force stop an app, it may cause error. So try to force stop that, and then restart. Here it doesn't allow me to force stop this app. So I see if I have another options here, or services. So at the moment I cannot force stop, in which case you can force to restart your device. And if you restart your device, you can then try to go back in to Google Play Store and download or update WhatsApp. Another thing that you may want to check is if you are using VPN or proxy services. Using VPN and proxy services, if you are using it, you can disable it temporarily and attempt the update, because VPN or proxy services may block connections to the update server. So if they are blocking, then you will not be able to update WhatsApp. So in which case you can pull down the status bar and then simply pause VPN, or simply just stop it. After you have successfully update WhatsApp, you can then turn on VPN again. And that's it. If you still have all those issues, you are unable to update WhatsApp, maybe you can try to reach WhatsApp support to see if they can give you any further advice. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.